Thanks for joining me at the Financial Spotlight. If this is your first time here, welcome. And if you're coming back, thanks for coming back. Hopefully you join the Spotlight family so that you can get more tips and tricks that I share with you every single week. So today we're going to be talking about or going through our unstuffing, so cash unstuffing. This is my first time doing this, and so I looked at a few people's videos to see exactly how they were doing the unstuffing. And for me, unstuffing means more like it's a reconciliation, or you're reconciling all of your accounts. Or your envelopes. So let's go inside. I don't have that much left because of everything that I had to pay for this month. I told you that we had birthdays all in February. So yeah, most of this is gone. But the main thing that I'm keeping in here, and I'm not touching it at all ever, I'm not taking it out until summer, is the summer envelope. And what's funny is my son asked me the other day, he was like, am I going to be able to go to those summer camps that I went to last year? Definitely, because we have the summer envelope savings. And let's see, these have nothing on them because I didn't put those signs on them. So I'm not going to take this out. That's going to stay. So in there is still the $140. Let's just make sure. And 40, 60, 81, 20, yeah. So it's still the 140 that's in there. And as we go forward, so birthdays is wiped out. As you see, there's nothing in there. Investing, I put that in the investment account. So that was the 150. Self-care, I had a little bit left over from that. It should say it should be 180. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 40, 60, 80. So yeah, that's 180 that we're going to allocate someplace else. This is the business. So remember I said I spent all of the money in my business account, from the business account. Well, I returned some things. So I got back a refund, and let's see. So it was $100 originally that I spent. Now I have left 20, 30, $40. We'll put this over here. But some people like to separate their money. I do too. So let me fix it. It's just not, well, here. Okay. Now. And the savings, I told you, it's already in the account. Vehicle had to pay for a smog, like I said, and that's gone. And then a friend of mine needed some money to pay a bill, so that's gone. So let's close that up. Now I've only been doing this. This is my second month of, or first month of doing this like this. Back in the day, I think I told you guys this on the previous video, I used to put my money in these envelopes, and you can do it that way too. You don't have to buy a fancy binder or anything like that. You can take envelopes like these. I used to take 4 because I got paid once a month. I still get paid once a month. I got paid once a month. I used to take 4, and I would break them up into the weeks of the month. 1, 2, 3, 4. Week 1, week 1, week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. On the back, I would put down all of my expenses. So I would start with the fixed expenses like your rent, mortgage, PG&E, water, garbage, cell phone. What else did we have? Oh, car payment, car insurance, life insurance. All those things are usually fixed amounts, right? So you put that here, and then at the bottom you start budgeting the remaining amount of the money. So like the variable amounts. So down here you would put, say, like I did the self-care, or the those type of things. You'll put those down, how much you want to budget. And then as you gas, those things like that, as you go through it and put the money in here, as you go through and you're taking the money out, you see how much you have left. And at the end of the month, I used to just total it up, whatever was left, like I'm doing now, which is basically, like I call it, a reconciliation. And then you're going to put this money into wherever you're going to put it. So let's count it out. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 210, 220. So I have $220. With this money, I am actually decided to put it into my SEEP IRA account. So basically that is a self-employment plan, and it is an IRA account for people that are self-employed. It is a great way to invest your money and see a return on your income. But you can choose to put it anywhere else. Like you can put it in a savings account as long as it's going to get interest for you. You can put it into, stocks and bonds. You can start investing it into things like that. Or, if you don't care about interest or anything like that, you just want to make sure that you're saving your money, you can put it in a safe. You can put it under your mattress like our grandparents used to do. But just make sure that you're saving it and that you're putting it somewhere else. It can be a part of your emergency fund so that you'll have enough money in there for the future. Hopefully this information has helped you. Go ahead and leave a comment if you have any questions, and definitely subscribe to the channel because we'd love to have you as a part of the Financial Spotlight family. Thanks for joining me. Bye.